Today's video is all about simple, science-backed ways to increase semen volume and boost male fertility, naturally. No fancy medicines, no complicated routines, just pure lifestyle changes that really work. I'm Dr. Danish, a council-certified registered pharmacist. Let's break it down into 4 powerful steps. Hydration protocol, the foundation of semen volume. Did you know your semen is almost 95% water? That means if you are even slightly dehydrated, the body will reduce semen production instantly. So, how much water should you actually be drinking? The key question is how much water a man should drink per day. Generally, drinking about 3 to 4 liters of water per day is good enough to increase semen volume naturally. This level of hydration, honestly, can increase semen volume by up to 30% because your body finally has enough fluid to produce sperm-rich semen. Now, how do you do it right? Well, I am going to share a whole day routine which will help you get the right amount of water. Number 1. Always start your day with 1 full glass of water. And, keep a 1 liter bottle with you and refill it 3 to 4 times throughout the day. You lose more water in hot weather, exercise, fever, diarrhea, vomiting, high salt meals, alcohol, caffeine, diabetes, and dry climates. These conditions dehydrate you faster, so extra hydration is, essential to stay healthy. In these above conditions, you must add electrolytes into water. Why it works. First reason is, when your body is hydrated, seminal fluid production increases. Second reason is, when your body has required water, sperm become more mobile. Thirdly, the ejaculation volume noticeably improves. Proper hydration is honestly the fastest and simplest way to see results. Zinc-rich foods, the fertility mineral. Zinc is one of the most powerful nutrients for male fertility. Zinc has many functions in the body. Let's explain each of those benefits. Boost testosterone. Zinc boosts testosterone by supporting hormone production in the testes and preventing testosterone from converting into estrogen. The body needs zinc for sperm formation, DNA synthesis, and maintaining healthy testosterone levels, making it essential for male fertility. Sperm production. Zinc is essential for sperm production because it helps create healthy sperm cells, supports DNA formation, and protects sperm from damage. Adequate zinc improves sperm count, motility, and overall quality, making it crucial for male fertility. Sperm quality. Semen volume. Zinc increases semen volume by supporting the glands that produce seminal fluid, especially the prostate. It helps maintain healthy testosterone levels and improves sperm formation, leading to thicker, healthier, and higher volume semen. Best sources of zinc. There are many different sources to get zinc. On the top is oysters. Oysters are called king of fertility. Oyster contains 74 milligrams of zinc per serving. Just 1 serving can fulfill your entire daily requirement. If oysters are not available, don't worry. Use these. Pumpkin seeds is another major source of zinc. These pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and antioxidants. These seeds are great for daily consumption, just 1 handful a day. Another big source of zinc is beef. Beef is an excellent zinc source. It helps support hormone production and sperm formation. Now let's understand why zinc matters. Why it is necessary in our diet. The simple mechanism is that when someone has low zinc, testosterone production will be low, and also low sperm count. Your body literally cannot make healthy sperm without zinc. Zinc is a key mineral for boosting testosterone and the production of healthy sperms. Adding zinc-rich foods is one of the best investments for your fertility. L-carnitine supplementation, fuel for strong sperm. L-carnitine is a natural amino acid that boosts sperm energy, motility, and semen volume. The usual dosage of L-carnitine is 2 to 3 grams daily for 3 months. This is the exact time frame used in fertility studies. Most men see better sperm movement after using L-carnitine, stronger ejaculation, and with L-carnitine, there is a higher chance of conception. Why does L-carnitine work? Sperm cells need energy to swim. L-carnitine acts like fuel, helping sperm move faster and survive longer. You can take L-carnitine in many forms. For example, there are L-carnitine capsules, and there's also the acetyl L-carnitine combo, which is also effective. Just remember, it's really important to be consistent. Fertility improvements usually take about 8 to 12 weeks. Honestly, making small lifestyle changes can bring amazing results. Even little adjustments can make a big difference. These tiny habits can dramatically improve semen volume and sperm quality. Wear loose underwear. Tight underwear heats up the testicles. Heat damages the sperm and also decreases its volume. Loose cotton underwear keeps the area cool, helping sperm grow naturally. Avoid hot baths and saunas. Excessive heat can reduce sperm production for up to 3 months. Instead of this, you should take normal showers or cooler baths. Your fertility will thank you. So the third lifestyle change is maintaining a 2 to 3 day abstinence period. This is really the sweet spot. If it's less than 2 days, you might notice lower semen volume. But if you wait more than 5 to 7 days, the sperm can actually become old and less mobile. Sticking to a 2 to 3 day abstinence period helps keep your semen fresh, healthy, and high in volume. Increasing semen volume isn't magic, it's actually science. By combining proper hydration, eating zinc-rich foods, taking L-carnitine, and making smart lifestyle choices, you can really make a difference. All of these steps are necessary to boost your semen volume and, honestly, increase your chances of conception. So, go ahead and drop your idea about the above tips. Which one will you start following from today? And hey, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to